With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A dipole is formed by 2 point charges minus q and plus q, each of mass m, and both the point charge are connected by a rod of length L and mass m. This dipole is placed in uniform electric field E vector if the dipole is disturbed by a small angle theta from the stable equilibrium position. Prove that its motion will be almost SHM. Also find its time period. So the question is asking us to find out that if the motion will be SHM if a dipole when kept in an electric field is disturbed from the equilibrium, and we have to also find its time period. The dipole experiences a torque which can be denoted by tau, and it will be equals to the dipole moment of the dipole, which can be denoted by P, multiplied by E, which is the magnitude of the electric field, multiplied by sine theta, where theta is the angle made by the dipole and the electric field. Due to this force, the dipole will bring itself back in the direction of field. Therefore, on being released, that is rotated, the dipole oscillates about an axis through its center of mass and perpendicular to the field. If I is the moment of inertia of the dipole about the axis of rotation, then the equation of motion will be given by I multiplied by alpha, and it will be equals to negative of P into E into sine theta, where this tau was the magnitude of the torque. Therefore, we can write that d squared theta divided by dt squared is equals to negative of P into E divided by I multiplied by theta, as it is given to us in the equation that theta is a small angle. Therefore, sine theta is almost equals to theta, and hence from this we can clearly see that this is in the form of negative of omega squared into theta, and this is the equation of SHM. Hence we can say that the motion will be almost SHM, and from comparison we can write that omega is equals to under root of PE divided by I, and therefore the time period, which can be denoted by T, will be equals to 2 pi multiplied by under root of I divided by PE, and therefore this is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.